I'm at Publix. I got 3 gigs for Field Agent, gonna make $9. I'm gonna wear my Meta glasses. You can see exactly how to do it and how you get in and out and actually make this gig worth it. I had 3 gigs at this one Publix, but stay tuned to the end of the video because there's actually another gig. I ended up doing 4. First question was each 4-foot sections of the apples. Produce is annoying because everybody like that's in front of you or in your way, they have to like check and feel all the produce. It's not like grabbing a case of soda or something. Another thing with the app is it'll give you a glitch notification saying that your picture was blurry, even though it wasn't blurry, and that's because the light was reflecting off the apples. They were really shiny, or like these ones had the plastic bags, and it was a reflection. So just double check it on your own and ignore it if you know your picture is clear. So that was all the apples. Now I had to do peppers, but this guy was in the way. This is what happened. I just need one more picture, bro, and I'm done. Just always be polite and cool, but here we got another problem. We're gonna have to do those tomatoes after, and there's a guy unloading tomatoes. Lady was in front of me with her cart. Now I'm doing the strawberries. They were in the refrigerated section, and now I gotta do the tomatoes. So I pretended I was on a FaceTime with my mom. Yeah, Mom, they got these type of tomatoes. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. They got the small ones, and they got the big ones. They also have these ones on the stem. So whenever there's a staff member or a manager or someone that's going to see what I'm doing, I just pretend I'm on a FaceTime with my mom and no one ever gives me any problems. The last question was the salad stuff, but now I'm on to the next gig, and this one is for the plastic bags and tinfoil. So it was a small section in the store. I had to take a picture of the display. So I got that display. And the next question was the air care. This gig and the next gig were actually super fast. The produce one was super annoying, but this one is how most of them are, where you can get in and out of the store really fast, and it's definitely worth it. So next question was air care. There was what looked like a manager, but I was able to get these pictures so fast, I don't even think he noticed that I was in the aisle. And then now the next gig is going to be for the beer and hard seltzer. Now, when you have one of these doors, the refrigerator doors, you have to open them. Otherwise, your gig will get denied because it'll be like a glare. And if the door doesn't stay open on its own, you could kind of use your foot to keep the door open. Just make sure that the door is open, and you don't have to do each 4-foot section. You just have to do the door. So if it was a single door, you would do every single door, which is really annoying. But these ones had double doors, so it was a little bit easier. But these ones could be difficult. They're very easy at like 7-Elevens. Gas stations will have these gigs, sometimes Family Dollar, and there's not a lot of products. But at the supermarket, they have like every different type of beer. So it's going to ask you for beer, non-alcoholic beer, seltzer, stuff like that. It's all in one aisle. Just annoying to open those shelves. And I was about to leave, and I checked the Mobee app, and they had the honey gig, my favorite gig on the Mobee app. This one, you have to count how many honey products there are. And at the supermarket, there's going to be like 20 different products. But if you do this gig at Family Dollar or Dollar Tree or CVS or something like that, there'll only be 1 or 2 honey products and you get in and out. When there's a lot of products like this, it could be annoying and tedious. For every different honey product, up to 20, you have to take a picture of it on the shelf with the shelf tag, scan the barcode, and take a picture of the back, literally for every honey product. And like I said, if there's only 2 honey products, that's all you have to do. But this one had 20 plus. So it does take a while. There was a while where I would just ignore these ones thinking they were impossible or just took too long. But now I got a system down, got the muscle memory, and I could just picture shelf, scan, and go. So I sped it up a little bit because it's really repetitive. And that is it. At the end of it, it's going to ask you if there was a display. There was a display there. And then that's how you do it. I made $12 in about 20-25 minutes total. It was really fun. I love doing these gigs. And if you want to sign up for Field Agent, there'll be a link down below in the description.